Hey Tech SEO Pros, I'm really excited about the things that I prepared for you in this lesson. So let's dive in right now. So this lesson is going to be about different types of duplicate content, how to find them, how to fight them. And I'm also going to show you common types of duplicate content plus e-commerce specific types. So the thing is that duplicate content does not add any value to Google search results. So that's why Google tends to ignore it. Think about that. If you already have something, let's say water bottle, would you need the same one for yourself just to use it in the same place, let's say at home or at your desk? No, there is only one bottle of this kind that you need right now, right here, and any new water bottle would not add any value to it. So that's basically the logic of Google. I don't think that it thinks about water bottles, but this is an example to illustrate to you why duplicate content is not ideal.